Could the future of your bank be decided by a hackathon? It sounds like a wild idea, but for Monzo, it's a core part of their DNA. They're not just a digital bank, they're a bank built with their users. And today, we're diving into the two biggest ways Monzo turns its customers into co-creators, the incredible community forum and their fast-paced hackathons. The community forum, more than a help page. When you think of a bank forum, you probably picture a boring, dusty help page. Monzo's is the opposite. It's a vibrant, sometimes chaotic, and always active hub where users actually help build the bank. This isn't just a place to report a bug, though you can definitely do that. It's where some of Monzo's most beloved features were born. Take POTS, for example, those clever savings folders that let you ring-fence your money. That entire concept started as a discussion thread on the forum where users were asking for folders or buckets to set aside their cash. Monzo listened, built it, and now it's a feature you can't live without. The community is also a place for radical transparency. Monzo staff, including engineers and product managers, jump right into conversations. They talk about what they're building, what's broken, and why certain features are taking a while. It gives users a sense that they're not just a number, they're an investor of ideas. It's banking that truly feels like a collaboration. Monzo hackathons, ideas in overdrive. While the forum is the engine room for ideas, Monzo's hackathons are the accelerator. Now, a hackathon in the banking world might sound ultra-corporate, but Monzo's have a unique twist. They're internal events where Monzo employees, or Monzonauts as they call themselves, from all departments, not just tech, take 3 days to rapidly prototype and build entirely new features. These hackathons are a direct pipeline from a staff member's brilliant idea to a real-world feature. For example, the Monzo team once ran a Monzo Magic hackathon where teams worked on everything from small improvements to huge, ambitious projects. Features like the ability to view your card's CVC number in the app or the famous gambling block, a feature that allows users to instantly prevent all transactions with betting companies, often start life in these high-energy, 3-day innovation sprints. It's all about putting a product into the hands of a small team and letting them run free. The best ideas get fast-tracked, iterated on, and eventually rolled out to everyone. It's a powerful way to foster a culture of speed, creativity, and customer-centric design. Why it matters. Monzo understands that the best feedback and the best ideas often come from the people using the product every single day. By formalizing their community features through an open forum and internal hackathons, they've created a virtuous cycle of feedback and innovation. It's more than just a marketing stunt. It's a genuine, collaborative approach that fundamentally changes the relationship between a bank and its customers. It makes you feel like your opinion truly matters, because with Monzo, it does. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.